Welcome to the Explainer. If you're just starting out in web design, or honestly, even if you've been tinkering with basic layouts for a little while, the idea of adding artificial intelligence to your projects probably sounds totally overwhelming, right? You might be thinking you need to learn all about massive backend servers, complex databases, and just take on a huge headache to even get started. But today, our goal is to completely demystify that process. We're going to explore how you can build dynamic, incredibly smart sites using tools called anti-gravity and Gemma 4. And the best part, we're keeping things surprisingly simple and entirely offline.
Okay, let's dive into this. Can you actually build an AI-powered site using just your basic HTML and CSS and completely skip the server? For any web design beginner, this sounds like an absolute dream scenario. Usually, the second someone says AI, you're suddenly expected to go learn back-end management, API routing, and a dozen other terrifying systems that have absolutely nothing to do with web design. But what if you could keep the simplicity of a basic static site while still getting the brainpower of advanced AI? Spoiler alert, you absolutely can. And honestly, the way it works is brilliant.
Section 1. Building a familiar interface. Before we even touch the AI side of things, let's look at the incredibly safe and familiar starting point of the project our source material covers. The creator had a very relatable goal. They wanted a cool, specific look for their personal site, but they were super tired of hitting a wall with weird CSS edge cases and heavy frameworks. So they went for what we're calling the VS Code aesthetic. If you've ever used a code editor to write HTML, you know exactly what I mean, that clean, highly structured dark mode look. Now, you might assume recreating a complex software interface like that requires some heavy JavaScript framework. But here is the really reassuring part for us beginners. They built this beautiful interface using completely standard HTML and CSS. If you know how to structure a web page and style it, you already have the tools to build something stunning. You literally don't need to learn a whole new programming language just to make your site look cool. And it really goes to show just how far those basics can take you. This interface displays an entire view for a website, completely mimicking that VS Code style syntax visually. It even includes dynamic theme changing. Think about that, a fully themed, interactive-looking site. And the whole shebang is built entirely with anti-gravity, acting as the static generator under the hood. The absolute crucial takeaway here is that you can achieve a massive amount visually before any complex logic is even introduced. We are building on solid, friendly ground.
Section 2. The AI server dilemma.
So you've got your beautiful HTML and CSS site. It looks amazing. But then you want to add a smart feature and bam, you hit a technical brick wall. Here was the creator's exact goal. They wanted to add a related posts section. But not just a dumb list of identical tags. They wanted it powered by an AI vector database, meaning the recommendations would be genuinely smart and context-aware based on what the user was actually reading. It's an awesome feature. But there was a major catch. They absolutely did not want the burden of spinning up a live server. Because for a beginner, setting up a live server, managing databases, and keeping a constant connection open just for a few related links is incredibly intimidating. It's usually just not worth the hassle.
And this is exactly where the magic happens. Think about the old way of doing things. You'd absolutely need a live server. That means a complex backend, constant internet connections, paying for hosting, and stressing out over security vulnerabilities. It's a huge headache. But then, look at the clever way, anti-gravity offline generation. This completely flips the script. It keeps your site simple, static, and entirely serverless, while still giving you that cutting-edge AI capability. It literally takes all the stress out of the equation so you can just focus on your design.
Section 3. Summarizing with Gemma 4.
So how in the world do we achieve this clever, serverless AI? Well, it comes down to a really smart combination of tools. Specifically using an AI model called Gemma 4 to do the heavy lifting. Now, you might have heard the term vector database. If you're a beginner, I know that sounds terrifying, but let's de-jargon it right now. Think of a vector database kind of like a remarkably smart librarian. Instead of just looking for exact keyword matches, like seeing the word apple in two posts and assuming they go together, it organizes and matches posts by their underlying meaning and context. It understands that a post about web design and a post about CSS styling are deeply related, even if they don't share the exact same tags. It's just a much smarter, human-like way to group topics.
So how does this actually work without a live server running 24/7? Here's the simple 1-2-3 recipe, the anti-gravity AI workflow. Step 1. Anti-gravity has the Gemma 4 AI write a short summary for every single post on the site. It actually reads and understands your work. Step 2. It takes those text summaries and vectorizes them using another embedding Gemma model. Remember our smart librarian? This is where the AI converts the meaning of the summary into a format it can easily compare. Step 3. It matches related posts based on those vectors. It literally just looks at which posts have the most similar underlying meanings. Gemma 4 is doing all the heavy lifting, turning what seems like complex AI processing into a super straightforward recipe.
Section 4. The compile time solution.
Now, what's really interesting about this next concept is a major twist in when this processing happens. If we don't have a live server, the AI obviously can't be thinking on the fly while the user is clicking around. The secret here is something called compile time. All compile time means is prepping all the site data, including these fancy AI recommendations, before the website is ever published to the public internet. Think of it exactly like prepping meals before a big dinner party starts. You do all the chopping and cooking in advance, so when the guests, your website visitors, finally show up, they don't have to wait for you to cook. They just enjoy the meal instantly. Your server isn't forced to cook up recommendations while the visitor is staring at a blank loading screen.
The generator builds the site and literally bakes the related posts right into every single page prior to publishing, because everything is generated beforehand. By the time your standard HTML and CSS files hit the internet, all the AI thinking has already been completed. The final result? You get a blazingly fast website that feels completely dynamic and intelligent to the user, but under the hood, it's really just delivering those safe, simple, pre-built HTML files you already know how to make.
And honestly, this enthusiastic reaction from our source material perfectly validates why this offline hack is so powerful. They said, run this offline without connection to service and get recommendations on relevant articles based on what you're looking at. The excitement there is so real because you are getting the absolute best of both worlds here. You get the unhackable, totally free-to-host simplicity of a static HTML site combined with the cutting-edge contextual awareness of modern AI. It's a total game changer.
So, what does this all mean for us? The absolutely crucial point to take away from today's explainer is that advanced AI features are no longer locked behind this huge, intimidating wall of back-end server management. If you know basic web design, if you can write a little HTML and CSS, you can absolutely do this. Which leaves us with one final exciting question for you. How will you use pre-compiled AI summaries to power your next simple HTML and CSS project? Now that you know you can literally bake the intelligence right into the code before you publish, the possibilities for your personal sites, portfolios, and blogs are just endless. Don't be afraid to get in there and experiment with tools like Anti-Gravity and Gemma 4 on your own static sites. Thank you so much for hanging out with me to explore this today, and hey, happy building!